Ever wondered how to unlock the full potential of machine learning in your data analysis? Welcome to a journey of discovery and mastery with the Data Ninja Group. Machine learning, a concept that often intimidates data analysts, holds the key to transforming your data into actionable insights. Today, we're demystifying this powerful tool. Machine learning is no longer a futuristic concept, but a present reality that's reshaping industries, from healthcare to finance, retail to entertainment. It's not just about algorithms and complex computations. It's about making data speak, revealing patterns, predicting outcomes, and driving smart decisions. In the sea of data that floods our world, machine learning is the compass that navigates and finds patterns in the chaos. It's a critical skill for data analysts who want to stay ahead of the curve and deliver value to their organizations. In today's video, we'll delve into the exciting world of machine learning and show you how to harness its power to supercharge your data analysis skills. Are you a data professional feeling overwhelmed by the complexities of machine learning? If so, take solace in the fact that you're not alone. Machine learning, with its intricate algorithms and daunting terminologies, can indeed be a tough nut to crack. First and foremost, let's address the elephant in the room: the sheer volume of data. In today's digital age, we're dealing with a data deluge. This massive amount of data can be intimidating, making it challenging to identify what's relevant and what's not. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, isn't it? Next, let's talk about the understanding and implementation of machine learning algorithms. Each algorithm is unique, with its own strengths and weaknesses. Choosing the right one for your specific use case can feel like navigating through a maze without a map. But remember, it's okay to take wrong turns, as long as you're learning from them. Moreover, there's the pressure of producing accurate predictions. The fear of making mistakes can sometimes be paralyzing. However, it's important to remember that machine learning is not about perfection, but iteration. It's a continuous journey of learning, tweaking, and improving. Finally, there's the challenge of staying updated. The field of machine learning is ever evolving, with new techniques and tools cropping up regularly. Keeping up with these rapid advancements can feel like running on a treadmill that's constantly speeding up. These struggles are common, and it's okay to feel overwhelmed. After all, machine learning is a vast and complex field. But don't lose heart. Just like any other skill, mastering machine learning takes time, practice, and a whole lot of patience. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every machine learning guru, data scientist, or AI expert has been in your shoes, grappling with these same challenges. And guess what? They overcame them, and so can you. Don't worry, we've got the solution. But first, let's set the mood. There's something about the right tune that can spark inspiration, fuel creativity, and make even the most complex concepts feel approachable. To set the tone for our journey into machine learning, we've selected the trending audio track AI Anthem by Machine Beat Maestro. It's a fusion of futuristic beats and dynamic rhythms, a perfect soundtrack for the cutting-edge world of data analysis and machine learning. This track embodies the essence of machine learning, a blend of creativity, logic, and rhythm, much like the algorithms we'll be exploring. As you listen, we hope it will inspire you, motivate you, and stimulate your analytical mind. So let's turn up the volume, get our neurons fired up, and dive into the intriguing world of machine learning. Let the beats guide you as we delve into the world of machine learning. Now, let's take a look at some fascinating insights. The digital landscape is buzzing with an increased appetite for knowledge about machine learning. Data from various platforms give us a snapshot of this growing trend. Later, a social media scheduling tool shows us a significant surge in engagement for posts about machine learning workshops. There's been a 45% increase, to be exact. This suggests that the data community is actively seeking opportunities to expand their knowledge and skill set in this area. And it's not just about workshops. Talkboard, a popular search trend analysis platform, has reported a 35% increase in searches for machine learning tutorials. This surge in curiosity indicates that professionals are not just interested in theory, but also in practical, hands-on learning experiences. Moreover, Slaying Social, a platform dedicated to tracking social media trends, reveals an uptick in shares for machine learning case studies, a 20% rise to be precise. This demonstrates a demand for real-world examples and practical insights on how machine learning can be applied in various scenarios. Finally, we turn to Humps, a platform for online course registrations. They've seen a 30% rise in signups for machine learning bootcamps. This demonstrates that professionals are not just interested, They are eager to dive headfirst into the world of machine learning and level up their skills. In summary, the trends are clear. There's a growing interest in machine learning among data professionals. People are seeking workshops, tutorials, case studies, and even intensive boot camps to deepen their understanding and enhance their skills. So, whether you're a seasoned data analyst looking to stay ahead of the curve, or a newbie wanting to break into the field, there's no better time to dive into machine learning. The resources are abundant, the community is growing, and the potential for innovation is limitless. Professionals are eager to level up their skills, and with the right tools and knowledge, you too can unlock the power of machine learning. Ready to unlock the power of machine learning? The time is, instead of a workshop, we're thrilled to invite you to explore more insightful videos on our YouTube channel. This isn't just another YouTube channel, it's a platform filled with a transformative learning experience designed specifically for data professionals like you. Our videos will provide you with a deep dive into machine learning fundamentals. You'll get the chance to understand complex algorithms, learn how to train your models, and even predict future trends. And it's not all theory. You'll also get hands-on experience through real-world projects showcased in the videos. This practical approach ensures you can readily apply your newfound skills in your work. What's more, you'll be learning from the best. Our videos are presented by industry experts who've been in your shoes and understand your challenges. They're not just academics. They're seasoned data analysts who've used machine learning to solve real business problems. They'll share their tips and tricks to help you navigate the world of machine learning with confidence. In addition, by subscribing to our YouTube channel, you'll join an exclusive community of like-minded professionals. You'll have the opportunity to share ideas and learn from each other in the comments section. This collaborative environment will not only enhance your learning experience but also open doors to new opportunities. In short, our YouTube channel is a golden opportunity for you to level up your skills, broaden your knowledge, and become a machine learning ninja. It's more than just learning. It's about empowering you to make a difference in your career and the field of data analysis. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Explore our YouTube channel, watch our insightful videos, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Take your data analysis skills to new heights. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. You've taken the first step by watching this video, but the journey doesn't stop here. We've only just scratched the surface of what machine learning can do for you as a data analyst. But don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Imagine what you achieve with a deep understanding of machine learning. Predict trends before happen, uncover hidden patterns in your data, and make data-driven decisions with confidence. The possibilities are endless, and it all starts with the click of a button. So why wait? Explore our YouTube, watch our insightful videos, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. We're a group of data analysts, data scientists, and machine learning enthusiasts just like you. Understand the challenges you face, and we're here to help you overcome them, one video at a time. But don't stop there. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Your likes help us understand what content you find valuable, and it helps us reach more data professionals like you. So go ahead, click that like button, and let us know you're enjoying the content. And remember, the power of machine learning isn't just for you to keep. Share our insightful videos with your colleagues, your friends, anyone you think could benefit from understanding the power of machine learning. Let them know about the transformative learning experience available on our YouTube channel and how it could revolutionize their approach to data analysis. And finally, keep the conversation going. We want to hear from you. What are your biggest challenges when it comes to machine learning? What topics do you want us to cover in future videos? Drop us a comment below and let's start a dialogue. Together, let's unlock the potential of machine learning and revolutionize the world of data analysis.